Yeah, just a little quicker on this one, and he'll nudge it around. Who's going to walk away? Or rather, who's going to drive this vehicle by the end of the tournament? Remember, it goes to the player of the tournament. It's the Omoda E5 long-range SUV. And the other day, Monali was refusing to get out of it when being dropped at the venue. That much he loved the ride.
Yeah, I'm not going to lie, it's a really sweet car, actually. I was very impressed. Very sleek, and the inside looks fantastic. That's why I said yesterday, it's too bad the best comms doesn't get to take it home. Although that might not be a fair competition here with Lenny.
Yeah, Lenny is a very popular figure in this part of the world.
Just going back to your superstition.
Really recollect. Get that for turn. That's the perfect delivery to a left-handed batter. No superstitions for me. What about you, Monali?
Yeah, grip and turn. Excellent delivery this from Lees. Yeah, I had to make sure that I pulled out my right pad first out of the bag every time. And if I didn't, then I was destined to fail in that game. It plays on your mind. But the facial hair is big in hockey. I mean, hockey in Canada is massive. So when playoff season comes, no one shaves and no one cuts their hair. And that has to go throughout the playoffs.
Yeah, whatever floats your boat. As simple as that. And this 43 now and 37. He's bowled well. He's looked good with the bat. Gave that impetus in the end to take them past 130. And he's been very disciplined with the ball. 1 for 15 and in his final delivery as well. No panic here for the Bolts. Yes, no. Once again, that's a poor bit of fielding and backing up. Everyone's caught napping in the field this morning for the Avengers. What should have been a dot ends up being one, then overthrow as well. This guy is not impressed too. Michael Lees, 14 gone, 98 for 3. And tell you what, quite a few goodies in this part of the world. It's ultraviolet F77. I was looking to go big on that one. Top speed is 155 kilometers. Wow, per hour. And it offers a futuristic riding experience. Are you a bike person or a car person, Monali? But that bike's certainly beauty and beast together.
Yeah, I actually did ride. I sold my bike now, but that looks like a gorgeous looking bike. Get your helmets on.
At the moment, riding on a sea of confidence are the Janakpur Bolts as they get to the 100-run mark as well in the 15th over. In full control on top of their game as well.
Looks a relaxed dugout. Why not? They've been in the driving seat for most of this game. Cheeky! And this will be a few runs. The runs are coming just too easily at the moment. They pick up 2.
Just add some more perspective into this chase, Monali. I'll tell you what, time since the last boundary is 32 deliveries. That's how easy it's been for the Janakpur Bolts. They've not had to press the panic button in this chase. They've just had to get those runs with minimum risk. They're playing all over it.
Oh, he did try to clear that front foot. Wanted a slog sweep in there. I think he was listening to you. It's been a while since the last one. He wanted to put it into the stands. We'll have to wait for the next one.
I don't think so. I'm the right person you should be listening to. That could have easily crashed into the stumps as well. This time, no half measures. And it goes the distance. That's a very fine and a valiant effort into the deep. But when Neesham hits it, it stays hit. That's a big, huge six.
Yeah, much better shot this time as well. Instead of slogging it, he held his shape, came down the track, and played right through the line, over the bowler's head. Fantastic shot. Trying to finish this in quick fashion. Finally gets maximum after a whole 33 deliveries.
Yeah, he's throwing his bat at virtually everything. Yeah, and pushing for the second. No, Neesham standard sent back by his partner. This could be close. Another overthrow, maybe not really, but Neesham's not happy. May have just given a mouthful to his partner at the other end. Absolute harakiri, but it's all now sorted. He can wear a smile. Done with over number 15. It's 109 for 3. And the Bolts need 30 from 30.
Bolts played was against the Yaks and they finished it in just over 15 overs. That's how comprehensive that victory was. It was the captain Anil Kumar Shah's unbeaten 62 and Neesham at the end his unbeaten 16 that took them over the line. Their first two victories have been by 8 wickets. This is a little bit tighter as far as the overs go, but they still have 7 wickets in hand. Shri, things are happening here.
To finish off. Yeah, Neesham will look to finish this off as quickly as possible. With shots like that, you know that the end is near. Neesham looking ominous.
The interesting thing about Jimmy Neesham was the way that he played Michael Leask. He knew that the ball turning away from him was a threat, and so he didn't go after Leask. He just knocked him around. But as soon as the ball spins back into the left-hander, he's going after you.
And also he knew it was Leask's last over as well. Just patted him into the leg side for a single, and when the leggies came on, he's taken after them.
Critchley cannot afford to be full. Full. Neesham will go downtown, as he does again. He wants to finish it. He wants to finish it quickly.
This is wider, but Neesham could still drag this wide of long on for 6. That's the power of the man. Yeah, that was a lot wider, and it was also a wrong one. Neesham's got the power and the reach to drag that wide of long on for 6.
Another misfield. Cleaned up in the deep, but Neesham will keep the strike.
Doing it in a hurry. Partnership 31 of 20. Neesham is 27 of 17. This has been good exhibition of power hitting from James Neesham.
No, yes please. 3 in the over. That's as pure as it comes from Jimmy Neesham. Big over, 20 runs from it, 129 for 3. Well, those fans are just celebrating cricket rather than a victory for a particular side. They're just so happy to see their heroes of Nepal here in action, as well as some overseas stars. What about this from Jimmy Neesham?
Yeah. Power down the ground. That's what Neesham is known for. And every time Critchley pitched it up, he's gone the distance. Sagar Dakal, left-arm spinner. Harsh Thakur joins the party. 4 over mid-on. Mid-on was inside the circle, looking to attack the Avengers, but it's doing the net run rate no good at all.
Gee, they're a confident unit, this Bolts side. They've got strikers all up and down their batting order. We thought that maybe there'd be a problem if they lost more than 2 wickets with the untried middle order. But what they did was alter the order. Brought Jimmy Neesham in at number 5. Sharp chance. Very, very sharp chance to slip. Couple more here. What about the amount of bowlers that have been used here? 8.
Yeah, again, sign of a side that's searching for a combination, searching for success, searching for clarity in role. Yeah, that was a sharp chance. Late to react. He'll take the couple. Harsh Thakur. 4 required. 1 strike away.
There's some turn there. Neesham saying, not a wide.
Definitely lucky to get away with that.
They'll get one closer. Right, now, left-hander facing left-arm spinner. Jimmy Neesham has dealt in boundaries. He's at 4 sixes in his 18 deliveries. He's unbeaten on 33. Knowing the man, he'll want to finish it now. Length is critical for Sagar.
Yeah. People sitting in the crowd, just beware. Ball's coming towards you, especially long on cow corner.
Down to long on for a single. That will end the 17th. They need just the 2 now. 137 for 3. On the brink of 3 from 3, the Bolts. Captain's going to have a bowl again here. Neesham looks to finish it and does in style, in emphatic fashion. That one is out the ground. The Bolts are 3 from 3.
Terrific from Jimmy Neesham. You've got to fetch another ball because this is not going to come back. This has gone way out of the stadium. And it's handshakes all around. 3 and 3 for the Janakpur Bolts. Tubudu Dasanaike's team just going from strength to strength. And they're looking a brilliant unit. HD, they're the team to beat.
Yeah, they look in such control, don't they? They've got a lovely little bowling unit as now with the spin of Rajbanji and Mohsin. And then the experience of that man in picture, Jimmy Neesham with the ball. Kishore with the new ball has also been very, very good. A bit of an unsung hero, really, for the Bolts with the new ball in hand. And then batting, wow, do they look dynamic. Malanta in the runs again, 45 or 32, a failure for the captain today, but he was so impressive just a couple of days ago. But what about this to finish the game? Jimmy Neesham out the ground. You won't find that one. It's gone.
That's hit the roof, and someone must have picked up the ball in the crowd and ran away with it. They won't mind it. The Janakpur Bolts, the crowd's ecstatic. People have turned up here, have got their money's worth. All three games.
A win by 8 wickets, a win by 8 wickets, and then today a win by 7 wickets. You don't get more impressive than that. Anil Kumar Saar, the only real failure with the single. Contributions again from Asif Sheikh. Lahiru Malanta still in the runs, the highest run scorer in the NPL. Harstak unbeaten once more. He's already had a not out in the competition. And Jimmy Neesham, wow, does he look threatening.
Just can't bowl sprint to Neesham by the looks of it. Partnership 72 of 55 between Milanta and Asif, and unbeaten 51 of 28 between Thakur and Neesham, closing things out much earlier than they would have liked to. Neesham's power-packed innings got them through. 8 bowlers used. Success for Bipin Khatri, who just